Question 2. A tunnel at a certain part of a highway is the shape of a parabola. Okay, parabola means the shape will be like this, or like this, or like this. These are parabolic shapes. Okay, it's not a circle lah. The height in meters of the curve is given by this function, right? So this is the function of height, where x is the width of tunnel. Okay, so let's look at this graph. I'm going to rearrange it so that will be easy lah. We put A first, and then this will be C will be later. Okay, so if you realize this quadratic equation only got ax square plus c, there is no bx. Usually got ax square bx plus c, right? If there is no bx, that means your graph is going to be like this. There's no bx, that means your graph is just going to be like this. Okay, it will be symmetrical along here. It's not going to move left or right. Okay, so let's see how to draw this graph. Okay, first let's start with x square. So x square means this is a quadratic graph. So x square graph will be like this. This is a negative x square graph, therefore it will be like this. Okay, sad face. Negative x square means sad face, right? Here, this is negative x square. Then this is negative 0.06 x square. So this a value will just tell us how fat or how thin the graph is. The bigger the a value, the thinner the graph. The smaller the a value, the fatter the graph. But in this case, we don't know how thin or how fat, we just draw the graph lah. Okay, let's assume this is the thickness of the graph. So we can call this negative 0.06 x square. Okay, because we are not comparing the thickness. If we have another graph of, let's say, negative 5x square, then we can compare the thickness. Okay, then the whole graph is plus 15. So plus 15 means the whole graph is going to move up by 15 units. So this will be negative 0.06 x square plus 15. So this will be 15 here. This is how to draw the graph. Okay, this is our graph of hx. Done. Right. Now let's look at A. Determine the maximum height of the tunnel. The maximum height would be from here to here, 15 meters. Okay, and then B, find the width of the tunnel. Okay, so to find the width, we need this length. So we need to find the roots first. So to find the roots, we need to factorize this equation. So to find the roots, hx must equal to 0. So 0.06 x square plus 15 equals to 0. We make x square the subject here, equals to 15. Okay, so I brought this over, so it becomes positive lah. Therefore x square is 15 over 0.06. So x is the square root of 250 plus minus. Okay, don't forget the plus minus. Square root, we must get two different answers. Okay, so let's this whole thing, I'll make it a bit smaller. Alright, so square root of 250 will be 15.81. So here will be positive 15.811. Here will be negative 15.811. Therefore, the width of the tunnel will be, from here to here, the distance is 15.811. Here to here is another 15.811. So 2 times 15.811. 31.622 meters. This will be the width of the tunnel. So to find the width, we need the roots. That's it.